In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Sales Hub. Whether you're looking to streamline your sales process, manage leads, or stay on top of your daily activities, HubSpot Sales Hub is a powerful tool to help you achieve your goals. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to navigate its core features and use them to optimize your business operations. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in. First, head over to hubspot.com and log into your account. If you're new to HubSpot and don't yet have an account, make sure to set one up before moving forward. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. This is your central hub, where you can access all the tools and insights to manage your business operations efficiently, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this space. Now, let's move into the Workspaces section. On the top navigation bar, click on the Workspaces tab. This area is designed to help you organize and collaborate on different components of your sales processes. Think of it as a digital workspace for your team, where you can keep everything structured and accessible. Next up, we'll focus on managing your leads. Click on the Leads section, which is where you'll find all the tools you need to organize information about potential customers. Once you're in the Leads section, look for the option to create a new lead and click on Create Lead. This is an essential step to ensure your lead database remains comprehensive and up to date. By adding new leads as they come in, you're setting yourself up for better follow-ups and conversions. Now, moving on to Deals, select the Deals section from the navigation menu. This is where you'll track sales opportunities and manage your pipeline. To add a new deal, click on Create Deal. Here you'll input details about a new business opportunity, such as the deal name, value, and stage in the pipeline. This step is crucial for keeping track of potential revenue streams and staying on top of your sales goals. Let's now shift to the Activities section. Once here, click on the Summary tab. This tab provides you with an overview of all your sales activities, making it easier to understand your progress toward your objectives. Whether it's ongoing tasks, completed actions, or pending items, this summary helps you stay aligned with your targets. And now let's talk about time management. HubSpot's schedule function is a great tool for planning your meetings, setting reminders, and organizing your day. Use this feature to ensure you're managing your time efficiently and never missing a critical appointment or deadline. Finally, let's head over to the Feed section. This part of the platform gives you real-time notifications and insights about your sales activities. It's the best way to stay updated on important updates or deadlines that could impact your sales efforts. Anytime there's a critical announcement or a change in status, you'll find it here. And that's it. In this video, we covered how to navigate HubSpot Sales Hub, from managing your workspaces and leads to tracking deals, activities, and more. With these tools, you can better organize your sales processes and take your business operations to the next level. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.